Alright, back with Myke LS. So I got a new product, people. So I'm into these pumps. I always need pumps because I got various vehicles. So I'm really into these battery recharge power pumps, but they could actually use the cord. So this is my second one I bought. This one here, I just picked it. It got like a bunch of different brands. It's like this don't even got a brand name, whatever. It's Italian inflation. I mean, I can put the link in the description of what it is, but I don't know. I just said let me try one because I do need another pump, even though I got the big boy pump for whatever. But I just wanted to do something, especially like for my 28s. It's like I want to make sure all my tires is the same, basically the same volt, the same air pressure. I mean, I'm saying volt. So I needed to get one of these quick, and if this is good, I'm gonna buy a few more, or maybe buy different ones because I got different cars, so I want to keep one in every car, but just a different one. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically it comes with this hardware. You know, the regular hardware, the thing for the basketball, the regular air. If you got a thing, you got a nice little cool bag. Like the one, it's a long bag, a pouch, you could tuck it anywhere, basically. So we got that. What else it come with? It come with basically a long wire to put in a cigarette lighter if I guess you don't recharge it, which is cool. We need that. And it come with the USB. I don't know which one is that, USB-C or whatever. And this one basically is to recharge it. The only thing that it's funny about these things. What's funny about these things is the cord. You know, sometimes I need a long cord. Sometimes I need a long cord and stuff like that. But you know, I was kind of looking for one with a long cord, or maybe they got like an adapter extension or whatever. But basically, how these work, basically, they're gonna screw this in the top right here. I guess you gotta kind of like turn this, right? And see, that's the thing right here. So it's like if you turn this, it's like you gotta kind of, I guess you could do it anyway, anyhow, but whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I turn it in, right? Real quick. Let's get it locked in, and then we're gonna see the display. The display from online was pretty bright. So the power button, like volume button, and all kind of stuff. So let's press it and hold it. See if it go on. All right. So basically, it's set for 35 psi. Then let's see what's this right here. This right here is up and down. You change the air you want. Let's go to the left and see what that. Oh, that's a little cool light. Press it and I guess hold it. Oh, and it flashes like for emergency. You see that? And then it flashes again. Okay. And then we have, I think you have to set it. Let me see I think you could set it if you, it comes on with that one, my bad. This right here is for the settings on the top, I guess for basketball, bikes, motorcycles. Well, that's good for the motorcycle too, because I do got a motorcycle, which I don't ride. I know people's getting on me, but don't judge me. Car, and whatever. So basically, you know, as I said, it's really self-explanatory. It sounds like it hit the power and it's so it feels pretty powerful. It feels pretty good. As I said, copped it on Amazon. Just something real portable to put air when I need to. This is good right here for the 28s because I need to have a certain air pressure in the car, and you know, I need something portable, nothing too big in all vehicles. So I will be buying, I think I'll buy 3 more, but what I was saying is I will be purchasing more. Just trying to make sure is my volume working correctly? Yeah, I'm sorry people. I will be purchasing more. Well, this one here, which is maybe going to be for the box Chevy maybe. Then I gotta get one for the Scat Pack, and I gotta get one for Renzel. I gotta get one for the backup. I gotta get one for a few cars. So it's just now let me see how to turn this off. That's another thing right here, because I know if I press it, I gotta press and hold it. Yeah, you press and hold it, and then you press it one time, then it goes on. So as I said, I'm gonna put everything in the pouch and see how it fit. I don't even think like, so I'm gonna put this in the pouch because it look like the pouch is really kind of made for really this and this. This extra shit is like, shouldn't even go in the pouch. It should have been a bigger pouch with like, you know, to put all this other stuff in the pouch is like, do I really want to do that? This is the main stuff I need in the pouch. It's just this and that. So these stuff right here, I'm putting it back in the box because I don't really even need that. So this is, I guess we gotta carry this and that. So they should have gave me 2 pouches, but I think I got another pouch or something in the crib, which I'm basically gonna do that. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all this part right here. I'm not gonna like use it to right now to put air in the tire. And y'all already get the point. Y'all already know what it is. And where's the box again? And one more time now, motion. Do I have the box? I got the box right here. So yeah, this is the box basically what it is. Basically, y'all know all these joints is from tire. You know what I mean? Tell you the tire pressure. Don't have a name, and this is basically the display. It says 5 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. 175, 70, 14. I don't know why they do that, but it gives you everything. You know what I mean? Ball, whatever. You know, I give you a little bit of instruction. Try to be a little fancy with the box. Yeah. All right. So this one out just show y'all the new tire inflation joint I got. So if you're new to my channel, once again, my name is Life for Who. Myke LS. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next one.